come and meet the Bearsons. Everybody say hello. There's Port and Ben with Annie and Barbara, with little Lisa too. With a first galore, with a terrible fall. Just you wait and see. It's the Bearsons. It's the Bearsons.
Hello everybody, and welcome to the 9th episode of the 4th series of the Bearsons. Today, viewers, now I'm going on a motorbike ride with Lisa.
Ooh, well, that sounds good, Ben. Yeah, have you ever ridden a motorbike before?
No?
Well, you're in for a big treat because we do have our own motorbike here. And here it is, Ben.
Ah, well, it might not be a real motorbike, but at least I get to drive one.
Alright then, Ben. Now, first of all, if you want to get onto the bike, just get your legs on here, and then you'll be able to ride a motorbike. Alright then, Ben. Ooh, fancy, you're on a motorbike now.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, because, I'm gonna have a practice run first.
Oh, okay. Well, you need to be careful then.
Oh, yeah, I will. By the time I know how to control.
Yeah. Tell you what, why don't we just do it, just on a webcam?
Alright, see you later, viewers.
Alright then, Ben. Now, are you ready for your motorbike training?
Yeah, I am. Just until later comes.
Okay. Right, you're on then. Right, and I'll hold your legs, first of all.
Okay.
Right, off we go then, Ben. So it's, 3, 2, 1, go. But first, start the engine.
Okay. Yeah, there we go. And now we're all set. Ready to go. Ooh! Oh, this is exciting, this is. I think I'm getting the hang of this.
Oh, well, good for you, Ben.
Yay! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. How was that, Dodgers?
Oh, that was very good, Ben. Yeah, well done.
Okay, and now to go get Lisa as a surprise.
Alright, it's alright, Ben. I got her now. Alright then, Ben. Right, Lisa's coming. Give her a yoo-hoo.
I will. Hello, honey. Your Ben's here. Yoo-hoo. Oh, okay, Benny. Sorry. Hello, everybody. Oh, hello, Benny. Oh, hello, sweetie. Look what I found. Is it a motorbike? Yes, because you and I are going on a motorbike ride. Just you and me. Ooh, that sounds fancy, Ben. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're very welcome. I guess you will enjoy the motorbike ride. Promise you, my lady. But I'll put you down first. Oi! Cheeky monkey. Oh, you call me cheeky monkey? We'll see about that. But anyways, now, if you just let me get on the front first, and then you can get on the back, okay? Okay, Benny. Okay, now we need to get ourselves ready. See you in a minute. CBB.
Sylvie, well, I suppose I better get the motorbike sorted right now. Now, if you just bear with me whilst I sort them out.
Lisa, are you ready for this? Yes, I'm ready, Penny. Okay, then. Right, off we go then. This is that's why I organised it for you. It feels good. The wind of my hair. Benny's riding a motorbike. Right, and here comes the bomb. It's like been in a background ride. And that's the counting at Universal Studios where you can meet the Simpson characters. Ka-ching! Haha! Right, nearly there now, Lisa. Then that's it. And I'm enjoying this. Let's go top, okay. Whoa! This is funny. Whee! Boom! Well, see you about first when we head back.
Let's see how we're doing for Bearsons and Lisa.
Right, here we are, Bentley's. You're all stopped now. Okay, I better get off. And I better put the bike away. Right, that's it now. Ready for another day. Well, Lisa, did you enjoy going on a motorbike ride with me?
Yes, Benny. Oh, the motorbike ride makes me feel sexy.
Oh, sexy? Are you seducing me? No. Oh.
Oh, kiss me, baby.
Only if that's what you want. Yeah, of course it is. I'm a big boy.
Go.
Yippee!
Boom!
That was unexpected. Oh, that's cute.
Gross!
So, Benny, how was the kiss? Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. And you'd be cheeky with me. No, of course not. I'm just saying it was okay.
Oh, Benny, 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 Benny. Happy, happy, turtle. Happy, happy, turtle.
Oh, I love it when you throw something to me.
Thank you, Benny.
You're welcome.
Alright, get up, you cheeky monkey.
Oh, then I'll give you favor. Oh, Benny, you're the best darling in the world. Okay. Look, Lisa.
Well, that's one way of doing it. That means more bacon up. Well, I better say goodbye for that then.
It's okay, Dodge. Lisa, get off. Well, I better say goodbye anyways. Bye-bye, everybody. See you in the next episode. Oh, and Lisa. Yeah?
The next episode is going to be your birthday party. This will be exciting.
Yeah, tell me about it. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Goodbye from the directors. Yeah. The grossing out thing. Oh, I don't like this bit.
Don't be such a bloody Minnie. Minnie Mouse.
Oh! The end. Oh.
all, folks.